3 months. 3 months is what I am giving myself to be 80 to 100% out of stocks and crypto. 3 months is not just some random number. There is a specific reason that is my time frame. And those that have been following me know that I have been saying this for months. Okay, so we're officially in March and officially in that moment 3 months later. Now that we're here, let's take a moment and reassess where we're at and see if what I was saying 3 months ago was the right idea. This bull run has been brutal, to say the least. And to be honest, if we just cancel out all of the noise of the news and all of this United States crypto reserve stuff, and we just take a look at the charts and think about how we're feeling in this very moment, it seems like I was right 3 months ago. If you didn't see this video, I highly recommend you go watch it. It's the first video pinned on my profile. I'm not going to go in depth in this video explaining it, but I am going to give a brief summary. Now, what I was doing in that video was comparing previous recessions that United States had. We had 10 recessions over the past 70 years since the 1950s, and 10 out of 10 recessions and stock market crashes came on an average of 6 months after the Fed started cutting interest rates. The Fed started cutting interest rates September 18th of 2024. That was 6 months ago. And this is where I was getting my timeline to get out of the market by latest March. Now, moving forward and assessing where we're at right now. The market looks and feels like it is about to crash and turn over on itself, and feels like the momentum is completely gone. Now, did I take my own advice and get 80 to 100% out of the market by March? No, I did not. And the reason that I'm still in the market is because I'm hanging on to this one final thing. This one thing keeping me in the market is the crypto fear and greed index. Sentiment right now is at an all-time low. Bitcoin is at $83,000 and we are in fear and have been in extreme fear for the past few weeks. Getting as low as 10 on the crypto fear and greed index. And every single time I have seen it get this low, marked a bottom and proved to be a great time to buy. Now, I'm being honest here. This is literally the only thing keeping me in the market. Other than this, everything looks terrible. Now, taking that into account, there is one final thing, one final level that I'm looking at that will push me to sell a lot of my crypto if we cross below this level. And that is the 200-day simple moving average on Bitcoin, which is that yellow line. And we're literally playing with it right now as we speak, sitting at $83,400. If Bitcoin closes a daily candle below this yellow line, below the 200-day simple moving average, it is highly likely that we see lower prices for Bitcoin and potentially the beginning of the bear market. It's happened in all three of